Look at this on April 20th. It's supposed to be raining. It's snowing on April 20th in Chicago. April 20th. Look at this. Wow. Is it hail? I think it's hail coming down. It might be hail coming down. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. 70 degrees the other day, and look at this. It's starting to stop now. For a second, we had snow coming down. This is absolutely crazy. We're in Chicago. It's, what time is it? It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon on April 19th. We got a snowstorm. This is absolutely crazy. I don't know where this came from. Chicago is crazy. And Tuesday supposed to be 70 degrees. Wednesday supposed to be 75 degrees. Thursday 80 degrees. Look at my man. My man is about to knock him down in the red jacket way down there. This came out of nowhere, ladies and gentlemen. This is Byron. This came out of nowhere. Wow. Anyway, I just want to show that to you. This came out of nowhere. Man, this is crazy. Wow. Anyway, I'll talk to you in my next video.